Design thinking is a way to solve problems creatively by understanding people, thinking big, and trying new ideas. Global Innovators puts this approach at the heart of the course. It helps teachers guide students to become problem solvers and innovators. Design thinking starts with empathy, understanding who we're helping and what challenges they face. Then, students define the problem clearly, brainstorm a range of creative ideas, and select the best ones to develop. They build prototypes, simple models or presentations, to share and test their solutions with others. This hands-on, student-centred process develops skills like creativity, teamwork and problem-solving, essential for the future. That's why Global Innovators brings design thinking to the classroom, inspiring students to lead, create and change the world. Explore Global Innovators. Design your thinking. Bring ideas to life.